carts that they have.
Hello,
Victorian
I'm
ones.
back with the
Yeah.
Howard
With a
Miller
rock.
grandfather
So you
clock
go up there and just
striking
kinda-
on
Well, you
the
never see people do that. If they win
third
the lottery,
quarter.
They don't make anything cool. But I'd build a castle like that in the woods.
It's a triple chime.
It's haunted.
Well, I don't want a haunted one.
No, they say his wife Rebecca hated the woods. Fergus McSquire, he was a British, and he ironically knew Hans Tiedemann, the guy that built Franklin Castle, so they were buddies.
Oh, you're too smart for me.
Of the rich
Uh-huh.
area. But anyways, they say his wife was running down the stairs trying to flee because she didn't like the woods. And she saw Squire's hunting room, and she tripped and fell and broke her neck. And
Wow. So now she haunts
Going.
it?
yep. And
Yes,
look,
it'll
there's
go pretty
inside.
soon.
It's an empty shell.
Do they have pictures of her?
Made in Western Germany.
No.
It's a German clock. You know, Mrs. Scott,
But
I don't know if you knew this. I'm gonna set my phone there and see if it. But Howard Miller is the world's leading clock company.
is it? I think I knew that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm used to it.
It's coming.
It's gonna come, yeah.
There it goes.
I even know the order of the passenger cars.
That's good.
Baggage car, combine car, passenger coach, dining car, coach.
Carter, you have to pull this